Okay, good. I'm just going to the program. 6, 8, 8, 8, okay. Sandra 6461 hold short American Airlines. Wait. Yo, what the hell? Whoa. What the hell? Watch out with the car! Ooh, what the hell was that? I don't know. There's Hamrock 6461 declared to take off. Okay, thank you. Take off. And we are rolling. Oh. Okay. Wait, what the hell? What the hell did I have to do this? Oh, I doubt it. Let me check. Wait, what the hell? Yes, that name was good. Shamrock 6461. We're making emergency landing. Okay. Wait. This doesn't have time. The nose. Okay. Oh. Hey. Hey. Let's start our landing gear. Hope we can still make it. Great. Said it. Did you say it?
Minimum 200. 100. 70. 60. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10. Retard.
Okay, wait, what the hell? Stop. Wait, hey. Okay, disappeared, guys.